many artists has actually painted this verse. And really, if God has to knock on our door, it's a very sad and very serious thing. But I want to highlight something from this painting. You will notice there is no handle at all on the outside of the door. No. You can Google, it's not the only painting. Yeah, just Google Jesus knocks on the door image. Almost all the painting will be like that. No handle. Why? Because if the person inside don't open, the person outside cannot come in. Why would a God who can walk through locked doors, who can walk through concrete walls, have to knock on the door? Because he's a gentleman. Because he doesn't force his way into our life. Because and if you read the verse, I stand at the door and knock. If anyone hear my voice, not hear my knocking. If anyone hear my voice, that means not only is God knocking, God is also calling. Calling out, John, are you inside? Mary, are you inside? Ameng, are you inside? Achu, are you inside? God is also calling. If the door remains closed and the person inside pretend not to hear. Have you ever pretend not to hear people knocking at your door? I have done that. I've done that. Yeah? You know this. You don't want these people to come kacau you. You pretend nobody inside, you know. Yeah. Now, if the door remains locked and the occupant inside pretend not to hear, what do you think Jesus Christ will do? What do you think Jesus Christ will do? Why so quiet? You think he walk away? He will camp outside the door. He will knock and knock and knock. I don't think he will walk away so easily. Yeah? Yeah. I don't think he will walk away so easily. God is a God of second chances and third chances and fourth chances and fifth chances. God will not simply walk away. But listen, God is not a God of forever chances. Perhaps when God comes and knocks at our door, that could be his final effort. And hence, it could be our last chance.